Okay, on the field where I found one of my 4 gold coins using the ETrac 2-tone ferrous open screen, and that was like that. So, and it is silver, you can see it's silver, so that's good. It looks like a sixpence. Good, excellent. Didn't expect to find that. This is a good find. I haven't dug it out yet, but I think it's First World War. Yes, it's a lovely nick on it. Oh yes, thank you, thank you. Anti-aircraft Fuze, firing at Zeppelins. It's only the 3rd one I've ever found. See the numbers around it. That's when you turned it around to gauge how high the Zeppelin or the Gotha planes, I think they were. Wicked. Well, this was near the surface, absolutely covered with fertiliser. Thought it was a penny at first, and I think nothing special. That's a shame. It's just an Elizabeth sixpence, not silver. Interesting about the that fertiliser's actually made it look better. Okay, quick run through of my finds. Nothing hugely special, but it's good to see some coins coming out. Like these stones. Nice piece of granite. This is a tile. Name on there, Hollins. This is for the farmer. That says this is just plastic. Come off something. And I don't have my sixpence. My friend's got it in his bag, so I'll talk about this, which I cleaned up with olive oil. Didn't use any water. See the yellow on it? So it was painted yellow. It's not hit by the plough. Painted yellow, and complete, fantastic First World War. And here's the proof. So go through the lettering. The lettering on there. Number 80. V7 version 7 maybe. And there's the magic date. 0717, which is obviously July 1917, which proves that this was fired at long-range aeroplanes or a Zeppelin. Super cool, very heavy, pure brass, beautiful quality. So there you go. Nice day out in the fields. Hope you strike gold soon.